What's up guys, and thank you so much for checking out another video. Today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S9, giving you an idea of everything that comes with the phone, and so you have a better idea when you make your purchase. Now if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to share your voice in the comments down below, and also go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell for notifications so you know when we release a new video. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Okay, so now the first thing you see as soon as you open the pack, of course, you're greeted with the beautiful screen of the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. This one would be the lilac purple edition. Beautiful phone, glossy design. It is a little bit of a fingerprint magnet. It's a little slippery as well, so you might need a case, but the screen itself is beautiful as always. An edge-to-edge display. Let's check out what else is in the box. And we have the USB Type-C cable here. This can double as your charging cable as well as your connection to a PC or a laptop. We have the USB to USB Type-C converter in case you have an old USB cable you want to use to connect to your phone. Some additional headbuds, and in the box here I believe we have the fast charger and the headphones. It's actually a pretty good set of headphones, and the fast charger will tap your phone off with about 60% of the charge in only 30 to 45 minutes, so that's a pretty good percentage. Taking a look at the S9 Plus itself, you can see that the screen is an edge-to-edge display. Beautiful, nice, sleek design. It's thin. It's has the USB Type-C fast charger with the speaker grill and headphone jack on the bottom. It's just a really great, beautiful phone. You have the power button and the volume rockers on the side. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful screen. So just a quick recap guys, you have the headphones, the USB Type-C and the fast charger, the additional headbuds for your headphones, USB to USB Type-C converter, and the beautiful Galaxy S9 lilac purple itself. Thank you so much for checking out the video guys. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom, and don't forget to share your voice in the comments down below on what you thought of the Galaxy S9. Till next time, peace out.